welcome to my new blog post 19. And in today's blog post, I'm going to discuss about project management data and information. So let's start. So basically, throughout the life cycle of a project, a significant amount of data is collected, analyzed, and transformed. Project data is actually collected as a result of various processes and are shared within the project team. The collected data is further analyzed in context, aggregated, and transformed to become project information during various processes of the project. This information is then communicated verbally or stored and distributed in various formats. For example, reports in a certain database, audios, or in a video format, or various documents. So basically, project data is actually regularly collected and analyzed throughout the project life cycle. So basically, there are three key terminologies regarding the project data and information, which are the first one is work performance data. Basically, when we talk about work performance data, these are the raw observation and measurements identified during activities performed to carry out the project work. Examples include reported percent of work physically completed, quality and technical performance measurements, start and finish dates of certain or set of scheduled activities, various number of change requests, number of defects, actual costs, actual duration, etc. Project data is usually recorded in some kind of information system and in project documents. Second one is work performance information. The performance data collected from various controlling processes, analyzed in context, and integrated based on relationships across areas. Examples of performance information are status of deliverables, implementation status or change requests, and for cost estimates to complete. Last one is work performance reports. The physical or electronic representation of work performance information compiled in project documents, which is intended to generate decisions or raise issues, actions, or awareness. Examples include status reports, various memos, justifications, information notes, electronic dashboards, recommendations, and updates. Hopefully, you have understood the concept of project management data and information. Now, coming towards our star question. The question is, a raw observation and measurement identified during activities performed to carry out the project work. This is basically known as non-work performance data, work performance information, work performance data, work performance report. So please do not forget to answer the question in the comment section of this video.